Hey guys, today we're doing a quick unboxing video. This is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the most expensive version of the iPhone 12. I got it in graphite color, which is like a black color. And here's the box. iPhone, there's the iPhone logo. There it is. Nothing much to see. The box, as you can see, is a lot slimmer than previous years because they didn't include the charger, so you're gonna have to buy that separately. And of course I got one. This is a USB Type-C charger, and if you have a spare USB Type-C charger, you could use that to charge your iPhone. Now let's check out the phone itself. It comes out. Here's the phone. And at first you're gonna notice it has a little more weight to it. The side is steel, and as you can see, it already has a lot of fingerprints because I've been touching it. So it's a fingerprint magnet. There's the cameras, 3 cameras. And online they're saying this is like the big iPhone. To me, it kind of feels regular size. Doesn't feel like it's really big, but there you go. And inside you're gonna have your cable. There's that lightning connection and USB Type-C. Now, like I said, you're gonna need a USB Type-C charger. You have one to charge it up. Some modern laptops and computers have USB Type-C, so you can connect it to that and charge your iPhone that way. It also comes with instructions. There's your sticker, and there you go. And you have your SIM card removal tool, and that's all. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and for my next video I want to show you some accessories that you're going to need, especially your charger. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time.